Please subscribe, and press the bell icon to get latest updates from our channel. Connect Arduino board. Click on Tool menu. Hover over the board submenu. Although Editor automatically detects the connected board, but if it do not, then select Arduino Genuino Uno. Now, open next submenu, Port. Select the mentioned port, if not selected automatically. Let's open the port again to verify whether COM port is selected or not. You can see that it is now in selected state. Now open sample code. Go to the File menu, select Examples, select Basics and click on Blink. Code of Simple Blink will be opened in new window. Look at the Setup function. This function is used to define the necessary components. We have declared LED_built-in as the output pin. This is a system-defined pin constant, which is basically pin number 13. So, if you will connect an LED with pin number 13, that will also blink. Now, look at the loop function. All executable statements are written in this function only. First statement is digital write, which will put on the built-in LED. The next statement is delay, which will pause the execution for 1 second. Next statement will put off the LED, and again there will be a pause for 1 second. So, the LED will stay on for 1 second and off for 1 second. Let's compile the code. Currently, the built-in LED is off. Uploading. Uploaded. LED has started blinking. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get our latest updates. Like, comment and share this video. Thank you.